So OnePlus 12 is one of the most impressive new phones, bringing the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chips up to 24GB RAM and 1TB storage. Wireless charging makes a turn after it was omitted from the OnePlus 11, and OnePlus also believes it is latest flagship with the iP65 rating against dust and water jets. It comes covers 6.82 inches LTPO AMOLED display with 1440x3168 pixel resolution and 120 Hz adapter refresh rate upfront. The BOI main panel is advertised to crank out up to 4500 nits peak brightness for HDR content or 1600 nits in normal use. OnePlus also boasts 2160 PWM dimming feature and class-leading blue light filtering. Going around the brand setup, Hasselblad branded camera setup headlined by a 50-megapixel main shooter with Sony dual layer stacker Lightyear 808 sensor. This is the same sensor used on the OnePlus Open with 1.12 pixel and 24mm equivalent f1.7 lens with OIS. The main shooter is complemented by a 70mm equivalent 64-megapixel telephoto model with 3x optical zoom and up to 6x lossless magnification via sensor zoom. The third shooter is 40mm equivalent 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera with IMX581 sensor. OnePlus 12 boasts ColorOS 14.0 based on Android 14 in China, which will likely arrive as Oxygen OS 14 for the international market. The phone brings 4500 mAh dual cell battery, which is the largest seen in the OnePlus phone today. The other notable bit is that the OnePlus 12 also supports up to 15-watt wireless charging as well as 10-watt reverse wireless charging. If you prefer old-fashioned way charging, you can go up to 100-watt speeds. The new flagships also support the very latest Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity, and also bring IR blast and USB Type-C 3.2 connector for the faster wave transfer speed. So OnePlus 12 come in black, amid green and white colors. Pricing China start at 4299 yuan for the 12 to 5GB model. So the international crowd might have to wait deep into January of 2024 for the OnePlus 12 global launch.